must have clear, defensible, and lawful standards for those who fall into this category. Unfortunately, rather than an orderly and lawful process to debate these issues and come up with appropriate reforms, repeated leaks of classified information have initiated the debate in a very passionate but not always fully informed way.
Now, even better, hopefully we don't have to use them because Russia decides that they should take the wiser course and accept the offer of the international community and the Ukrainian government to try to resolve this in a peaceful and lawful way.
But the actions I've taken are not only lawful, they're the kinds of actions taken by every Republican president and every Democratic president for the past half-century. And these actions are lawful.
So I intend to continue to do what I've been doing, which is where I see a big problem and the opportunity to help the American people, and it is within my lawful authority to provide that help, I'm going to do it.
I'm confident that what we're doing is the right thing and the lawful thing.
This is not the first time where a lower court judge has blocked something or attempted to block something that ultimately was shown to be lawful.
But we will stand with partners in upholding core principles like freedom of navigation and overflight, and lawful commerce that is not impeded, and the peaceful resolution of disputes through legal means in accordance with international law. We also know that centuries of racial discrimination, of slavery and subjugation and Jim Crow, they didn't simply vanish. We will stand with our allies and partners in upholding fundamental interests, among them freedom of navigation and overflight, lawful commerce that's not impeded, and peaceful resolution of disputes. And I reiterated that the United States will stand with allies and partners in upholding fundamental interests, among them the freedom of navigation and overflight, lawful commerce that is not impeded, and peaceful resolution of dispute. As we now shift to governing, my argument is that we do need to make sure that we have an orderly, lawful immigration process, but that if it is orderly and lawful, immigration is good for our economy. It keeps. Now, what we have to do, not just in the United States, but in all countries, is to find a way to have a open, smart immigration policy, but it has to be orderly and lawful.